Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Gemini. We'll be picking a one card for your daily energy, guys. One card for your career and one card for your relationship, guys. So we'll turn the cards as we proceed into the reading, Gemini. For your daily energies, these cards have to be read straight, guys. They don't work in reverse. By the book. The energy with this card is that, guys, certain situations have come up in your life that you need to follow the natural law, the universal law. So whatever was taught to you, you have to go by that. So the law of karma, law of attraction, whatever it is, whatever you feel right, or whatever those principles that you know that you have learnt, so you need to follow that. So it may relate to your work situation or in your personal life. Certain investments that you made that are coming back to you profitable, guys. You are getting a profit out of it. Some dreams that you have cherished, those may manifest. So you don't have to try to go out of the way, change yourself today. So just by following the rules of the day, whatever you need to do, you will be really successful in your ventures, whatever you are taking up. So whatever you feel guided to, maybe people suggesting you to take up certain choices or do certain actions in a particular way, following others' footsteps, that is going to give you success today, guys. Having that structure in your life may be based on your past, some pre-conditioned views that you have, that is going to give you success. You may also be getting some opportunities, something creative, maybe a second career related to some creative art, painting, dancing, singing, something. You may take it up, guys. So you opportunities are coming towards you. You are what to say, attracting prosperity. So in your life, in your work situation, or in this relationship with this person, you are moving towards something really positive. That is what I see here with this card, guys. So let us see what is the card for your career. Why? With this card, the energy is that Gemini, you need to have a clear understanding of your choices and what are the needs that are driving those choices, your motives. Maybe for some of you all, you want to serve others, or you want to lead a lavish lifestyle, or you want to save for your future. So whatever it is, it may be good or it may be bad, but you need to see the truth of those motives. So when those motives are true to your deep thoughts, you can accept them. But if it is not true to your whatever you have within you, your deepest thoughts, in your subconscious, you need to change that, guys. So it is going to help you in a long way. So for what you are working for in your projects or some kind of business expansion, what is your motive? So when you do that deep thinking, you will get that clarity in your life, guys, and it will drive you towards success. So that is the energy with this card. Let us see what is the card for your relationship. Message in a bottle. Gemini, the energy with this card is that your person, if you are in a long distance relationship, or if you are in separation from this person, they want to communicate with you guys, they want to talk to you, maybe come to a better understanding of your situation. So you are getting some kind of important communication, guys, letter, email, or greetings, something, something really positive, some positive news is coming towards you guys. That is the energy here. Maybe if you are in a relationship with this person, they may be coming with some happy news, or if you are in separation, this person wants to communicate with you, they want to get over that differences and misunderstanding and get back to you. Or if you are single, you may get a love message from someone you never expected that you will get. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So something really positive for your relationship, that is what I see here. That is the reading, guys. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be seeing you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Gemini.